I'm here with Skoczkowski, the Chief Executive of Redknee, the Billing and Customer Care Specialist. The company's recently acquired the BSS assets of Nokia Siemens networks, which radically increases its scale. Lucas, what do you see as the key challenges facing service providers today?
I think 2013 is providing a lot of opportunities. Number one, there's opportunities to create new services, obviously, to build on the opportunities from LTE. Cloud will drive a lot of opportunities for innovation, really to drive the service providers' capability to create new offerings and new business models. And obviously, I think business analytics will drive better customer engagement, which will help protect more revenues that service providers obviously care about.
So what should CSP's investment priorities be?
I think what we see is definitely into platform and technology and tools to enable them to drive capability for real-time monetization, for real-time analytics, and to really enable them to bring a subscriber experience, empowerment to the end users of their services. Secondly, I think it is about leveraging cloud. It is about combining different services from different service providers in order to offer more sophisticated business models that provide engagement to subscribers.
And how does Redknee help CSPs with these challenges?
Redknee helps the CSPs in these priorities by doing two things. We have just completed acquisition of Nokia Siemens Networks BSS, or Business Support Systems assets. That allows over 200 service providers now to have access to a broader range of capabilities and functionality. On number two, Redknee has been investing significantly in a roadmap and systems in cloud. So we announced our capability of cloud in the US, and we see very shortly opportunity to do the same thing in Asia Pacific and then in Europe. I think the two allow us to help the service providers really take advantage of the technologies to enable them to drive new revenue, to drive subscriber management to the next level, and obviously continue to innovate.
How significant is the Nokia Siemens Networks acquisition in terms of enabling Redknee to demonstrate greater scale?
Nokia Siemens Networks BSS asset acquisition is critical in demonstrating scale and increasing scale for Redknee. Number one, it obviously adds 135 customers to our portfolio. It also adds large tier 1 customers that have up to 80 million subscribers per system on our products. This very much complements what we've done with Microsoft and IBM in scaling, demonstrating the scale that our systems scale up to 250 million subscribers.
You mentioned cloud earlier. What impact does cloud have for telecoms operators?
Cloud is very much impacting the service providers around the world. And I think it's at different times or different customers who have a different perception of it. But tier 1s already have leveraged cloud capability from Redknee to provide sub-brands or flanking brands for their business. MVNOs and marketing companies have really seen the cloud as a way to enable them to access a best-of-breed end-to-end solution. But also I see opportunity for broader range of service providers to mix the on-premise and cloud capability to really fit their CapEx model and also meet their varying global needs of how they want to drive the functionality.
Looking ahead 3 to 5 years, what does the future hold for CSPs?
I think the telecom industry has a great opportunity to become an enabler for many verticals. So I think M2M will drive the interest. So we talk a lot about end subscriber, But I think that becomes driven by also a bunch of vertical customers. There will be utilities, financial industry, obviously, health industry, government, where service providers have opportunity to work with application providers to really change and improve productivity, improve cost efficiency, improve the economy. So to us, our objective is in helping monetize and manage the subscriber experience across all those different avenues, so that service providers can become more profitable and more sustainable. But the opportunity is quite significant. It will involve investing and pushing the cloud as not only an enabler for their own business, but also enabler for the verticals. We also see them working more with different content providers to really create new experiences for the end user.